Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be making Play-Doh to play with the children. Yeah! Locked in, whatever next. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get on with the video. The recipe is under the video in the description. Right guys, the first thing you do, put your flour in and your salt. And give this a good mix round. Make sure all your salt is mixed in with. Then what I'm going to do is tip it all back out into one of the pots, like that. Now, into this, you want to add your water. Now this is hot water, not boiling hot water, okay? Now you want 3 tablespoons of lemon. And 1 tablespoonful of oil. Now what we're going to do is put your flour straight in to the water and oil and mix round, and that is it. As you can see, it's starting to already go straight into a dough. Just give it a good mix round. Okay, it's not exactly the same colour as you had when you were a kid, but you know. And now we're going to leave that for a bit, just to cool down, around about 10 minutes. Right then, now we start moulding this up. Just get your hand in and get it, have it a good mix round. So it's like a dough now. So what you're doing is getting it nice and smooth and worked in. By resting it for about 10 minutes, it sort of lets it go back a bit, because it's still almost like, well, let's say it's almost like a bread dough with sheds of salt in it, but it's not going to raise anything. I see it's almost starting to look like it's forming a nice sort of sticky dough, just for the kids. Right, now what you want to do is break this into 4 pieces. So roughly there's one, and there's the other. Right, plonk one bit onto a plate, and get the other bit, because these are all going to be different colours. So you want to make it sort of equal, like. That. So you split that in, and that's the other one. Now you can guess what we're going to be doing with this now. And what you want to do now, you want to get your colour. you're going to be using cake colouring, which is edible. So put a bit of colour into this one. This is a red type one, so give that a good mix in. It's funny when you see a red colour. You can make it as red as you want. You don't have to use the colours I'm using, you can use any colour really. Kids don't really mind what colour things are. That's the one. And get another colour. I'm going to get this one off here. Another red. The one looks like strawberry and this looks like a raspberry. Okay, it's all going in. Just work it in, get it all in there. And then of course you get your other colour. Which this one I'm going to be using an orange. Because it's red, orange works with red. And there's your orange. And then obviously chuck that in, and I finish with the green. Donut looks some weird colours there, guys. Yeah, kids just love it, don't they? And you just mix the green in. And because it's green, you can add all the rest of this stuff in, because green just takes everything out. You can do whatever colour you want really. This is the colours I've been able to get hold of under the circumstances. We're actually going anywhere. It's an essential food. And you need an essential colour for children, which is important to keep them nice and happy. And that's that. And God, don't that look a horrible green? And we'll do what they do on Blue Peter. This is the one I've done earlier. So there we go. There's your play-doh. Lovely jubbly. See? You got your pinky colour. Your other red one. Okay, do whatever you like to. It's almost like plasticine as well, but it's edible. But not telling you to go around eating this stuff. Well, kids eat anything, don't they? But at least it's safe. If they eat this, they know they're eating salt. Salt and dough. And there we go. Just what the kids like. And then all you do, if you've got any of these little pots, you can just keep them in them and just keep the lid on, and you can come back to them anytime you want. Put a little lid on them. There you go. Keeps kids happy for hours. Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please don't get too much of that colouring over your hands. It can be a bit of to get off. Please subscribe and please share. Do check out the recipe below and playlists I've done for you guys. And we'll see you again in the next video. Laters and have fun. Keep that smiling.